Alright, well, you can buy one of those wimpy seen on TV garden wands, or you can make your own. Here we go. So it's a piece of bent tubing. You can just use a pipe bender, whatever size you want. This is a high volume, and you can see how that's barreled. Industrial conveyor sprayer, and you could get this in many different sources, industrial plumbing supplies and stuff. Take a good look at it. That's what you want. And however you want to put it on there. This was threaded, so you could put a threaded end on there to match your size threads there. There's threaded caps you just put on there with plumber's dope. I got a cushion grip. I got another threaded end to match this female end for the pipe valve here, which is just a ball valve, as you can see. And that ball valve was in the correct size to fit the male garden hose. Let's turn it on, see what it'll do. Got to do this one-handed here. It's so powerful, it's actually pushing my arm back. There we go. Ah, it's going into the neighbor's yard. And look at that stream on there. Wow. I could wash my Jeep from here. So there you go. Figure it out and do it. That's what this channel is.